Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and just when you thought my packing series was over, Away had to come out with a new suitcase. Literally, if you guys have seen my first Away video, which was kind of a thumbs down, and then I did my Beis video, which was 2 thumbs up, and I was so happy and traveled to Mexico with my Beis luggage. And then one night, we're just laying in bed, whatever, Instagramming, and what do I see? Away came out with the exact bag that I wanted. Even when they asked me for all of my input, they did exactly what I wanted. They came out with expandable luggage called the Flex line. So it's brand new. We ordered it the minute that we saw it so that we could review it. So you're probably thinking, why does she need 2 carry-on luggages? Is she going to return the Beis one? Is she going to keep the Away one? Well, it's not for me, it's for Brian.
For those of you who are new to our channel or not as familiar, I'm Brian, the other part of It's the Kellys, and I'm the beginner traveler. Every piece of luggage I ever had was like second, third hand, old Lauren luggage. And Lauren was thinking, Lauren was thinking about,
you got my hand-me-downs.
Yeah, Lauren was thinking about getting me some luggage possibly for Christmas, and this was just kind of a great opportunity we stumbled on, and we couldn't pass it up. So
we're gonna see if it fits all of my requirements.
Right, the Lauren's rules of luggage.
Please subscribe. Thank you so
Please.
much. I know these luggage reviews are very easy to just stumble upon, but in case you're unfamiliar with us, we do vlog when we travel. We do lots of how-to videos because we want you to travel too. So we like to, you know, Brian's a beginner, so he has a beginner series. I have luggage packing series. We travel together and do vlogs, and we put out videos twice a week.
It's
Wednesdays and Sundays. So feel free to subscribe, comment. Are you excited about this bag? Because we haven't opened it yet, and I'm really excited to take a look. I'm very hopeful. I really don't want to return another bag. I'm hoping we can just love it. We're gonna do the same test that we did on the other Away bag and that I also did on the Beis bag. So let's see how it lives up to my expectations. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, Brian, are you ready to be in a packing video?
I am. I've never thought
I was make you an expert now. So
I never would have thought in all my years I'd be in a packing YouTube video, but here I am on luggage.
We have not opened this at all. I just sliced it open so that it would be easier and we wouldn't look stupid on camera.
We are still gonna look stupid at some point.
I don't know what this is, but
it's there.
So,
let's open her up. Ooh.
This color!
It's...
Brian's a big fan of blue.
I like blue. I'm wearing black.
It matches his eyes.
That's fine.
I like when he wears black because that's like my favorite color, but okay.
Let's take a look.
Here it is. So already, I really hope you guys watched the first one. If you haven't watched it right now, like go back and watch it because I'm gonna compare it to the other one. And I'm not gonna sub in footage. Just watch that one and watch this one. Because already, just by getting it out of the box, I'm more impressed because these actually have some give this time.
Yeah,
the other ones didn't have give last time. It was just completely like you couldn't really lift it off. And if you're ever going to check your bag, which I'm not a huge fan of, when it's coming on the luggage carousel, you want to be able to get it really fast. This is lightweight too.
Well, and I'm really impressed just from like the shell. That's nice. I mean,
it is hard.
I like it.
Nice. And most importantly, it expands.
Oh.
Boom.
That's awesome.
That's so dramatic. But
that's
literally,
pretty expansive too. I mean,
all I wanted from Away was their bigger size carry-on expanded. And that's what they gave us with this Flex line.
I'm liking it, and like I'm really hard on the zippers, so these zippers are pretty sturdy.
TSA has a master key to go in, but you can go ahead and set your code. Brian, you go like this. Ready?
Ready. Wow, this is really, I feel like I'm really gonna have to go crazy to break this off.
Please don't break it, Brian. Okay, let's open it. We have a couple of tests to do.
Oh.
So just like the other away bags, and even very similar to the Beis one, it has both sides covered, which I'm a huge fan of. It's very easy to find a bag that's covered on this side, but usually they're wide open on this side, and that's what I can't stand. So, opens up, pretty normal, and it's finally deep on this side, because as you saw in my last video, it was only 3 inches deep because of the pocket on the outside. So let me measure it.
Let's find out how deep it is.
It's the only tape measure I have because I don't always build things, but I do always sew things. So, so this is about 5, which
5
is
inches,
ideal.
give or take. Yeah, that's
5
nice.
inches, give or take. The other one was only 3, and that's of course without it expanded. So that's already a perk. Of course, it has the zippers. It has mesh. I really like the mesh instead of just satiny material.
I like it too.
Because, like, you never know if you have smelly luggage or, you know, something like that.
Well,
so
just as a guy, I feel like that this just kind of looks like it's more visually appealing to me than a lot of the other suitcases I've used before.
Okay, so this side has, let's get this out of here, straps for compression. And then this is the compression sleeve to press everything down.
Big fan
It
of
does
that.
have a zipper, again with mesh. This side is just plain. The difference between this and the Beis luggage is this has zippers on both sides of the Beis. Get this back out. So this side, when it is not expanded, is 5. And when it is expanded, about 6.5.
Wow.
So
That's huge.
totally passes the test. I like that a lot.
Does it pass the shoe test?
Oh, Brian's shoe test. Brian, get me your big shoe.
So Lauren hates my shoes. This is my ugly golf shoe.
He has really big feet. Yeah. So the first away bag that I reviewed, it was so shallow on this side that I couldn't pack one of Brian's shoes in there. And that's why I was like, why would I spend that much money on this bag if I can't even pack a shoe?
And for the viewer at home, like I have big feet, but not that big compared to the typical guy.
He
We're
wears a size 13, and this is a pretty
Oh.
short shoe compared to some of the high tops and stuff that he does. So anyway, this can definitely
Oh, that's
pack
an easy fit.
your shoe for sure, and
Oh, yeah.
clothes for sure. And then the other side,
Oh, no doubt about it.
yeah, totally.
How do the handles work on the outside of the
Holds to
case?
it.
I know the
Let
last
me see, Brian.
away
check.
one, that was a big problem. I'm not very gentle on things, so I need things.
The last one, while I was filming, it was getting stuck. Was that
Yes.
this video?
Yeah.
I think it might have been a different video, but
It
either
was
way,
away.
I'm very picky.
That's good.
Yeah, it works.
Wow.
Beis has a more padded handle, so I really liked that. It felt pretty luxurious, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with this one. It's very nice. Another thing that Beis has that Away doesn't have is an indicator light on whether or not your luggage is overweight. Again, these are carry-on, so you really don't have to worry about it that much, but that is a cool little feature, at least if you were doing a checked bag. But we're not talking about checked bags today because who checks bags? Not us.
Not us.
So yeah, do you think it passed the test, Brian? Do you want to bring it with you on your next trip?
I'm pretty happy to have this as my first piece of luggage, official piece. I know we really wanted to like the first Away bag that we got, and it just what didn't work. And we're not gonna shine you guys on and tell you guys something's good when it's not, or I mean, maybe that bag is good for you, but for us, this bag is pretty close to perfect. I give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, the last review, guys, I was so excited to review it and so excited for the new bag. And as I was filming it, I'm thinking to myself, oh my gosh, this suddenly turned into a negative review. Oh no, should I even post it? But we got a lot of really good feedback from it. So
a lot of comments from people.
A lot of comments and everything. So I'm really glad we could give you the honest truth. And honestly, for Away, because I love the company. They were so nice when I talked to them about what I didn't like about the other bag. And now they came out with this Flex line. And they did everything that I asked for. And as if they did it for me. They definitely didn't, but now I'm happy. I want to, you know, promote this all over the place. I want to show the whole world that we got this bag and that I'm happy with it. We're finally part of the Away family.
Finally.
Well, you're an Away person.
Hey,
I'm a Beis person.
You're in it.
We're married. We're married. So what's
awesome.
yours is mine. It's mine.
I'll let you use it every now and then.
It's mine. The whole reason that we wanted to work with Away to begin with was their lifetime warranty. We've heard nothing but amazing things. You know, wheel breaks, which has happened to so many of my bags, or a zipper breaks, which is why Brian needs a new bag. They will fix it or get you a new one or something like that. I don't know how it works, but we know they do great things. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching yet another video in my packing series. Hopefully this is the last piece of luggage that we'll have to do. I mean, we weren't planning on buying another piece, but when Away comes out with a bag that I've been waiting for, we had to buy it. We didn't hesitate at all. As soon as I saw it on Instagram, we bought it right away and wanted to review it for you guys. We haven't really found another review on this Flex line at all yet. So hopefully this helps you out if you're kind of iffy about buying it.
Yeah.
I am very impressed. 2 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up.
4
over here. 4 thumbs.
Don't forget to subscribe to our videos. Comment below if you have anything you would like to add, or do you have an Away bag? What do you guys think? Is this bag something you might be interested in? And don't forget to like our videos. And please check out some of our other videos. I'm sure there's something in there you might enjoy.
Yeah, we post how-tos, obviously, like I said, packing videos, Brian's beginner videos, all sorts of hacks. We do vlog while we travel, and we are just trying to have fun. We are a couple that we are not digital nomads. We are not on the go all the time, and we really have no interest in a life like that because we love our jobs and we have a teenager at home. So we are balancing work and travel and everyday life, and that's kind of what this travel vlog is about. Honestly, traveling and everything else in the meantime. Living the normal life. Right. So we are looking forward to traveling with this guy here. So
away we go.
Away we go.